Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And of course, before we start very deep with the analysis, I want to mention, of course, that yesterday we had a live stream, and it was full, of course, with a lot of analysis for many altcoins. Most of them were showing green for today, and here we go. I mentioned yesterday that render might be very bullish. And if you take a look at render, it is 25% in green today. And knowing that I said that also that Bitcoin might be neutral or even like looking for lower. And here we go. Bitcoin is a little bit slow. It's moving up, but very slow in comparison with the alts. And as we saw in the Bitcoin dominance, we might see more green for the alts rather than the Bitcoin. And it might be, of course, the dominance moving towards the downside potentially. Let us check if this is the case, because we already saw a lot of altcoin. Here we go. So yeah, as expected yesterday with the dominance, we're moving in red, and that because of a lot of alts are in green today. And yeah, we see a little bit Bitcoin is hard to move for higher, but it's still moving higher, but it's very slow. You feel like it is very heavy to move for higher price, but it still can be. I believe that we might reach the 1-to-1 fib level for a zigzag here potentially, where I'm looking for this W and then X here as a 3 waves X, and you have another Y. And if in this case scenario, if Bitcoin reached this area, potentially that we might finish, of course, a wave V here, W, X, and a Y as well. Or it can be, of course, continue for higher as still W, X, and a Y until, of course, we reach the wave C targets. Meaning, in case we are moving even for higher, we're gonna estimate, of course, step by step and price by price. So once we come to this area, we're gonna estimate is the reversal gonna be 3 waves, or it's gonna go through directly. So if we reach the wave 3, therefore, okay, higher potential. Once you get a longer wave here than 1-to-1 fib level, meaning, of course, this is transforming to 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, of course, therefore we give directly the possibility for a wave C in A, B, and a C, of course, expanding flat to finish a big wave V toward the downside. Yep, so these are the possibilities. So I'm watching, of course, the 89K 467. Now we took the high as a confirmation that we're moving for higher. Next target would be, of course, the 89K 467. Any kind of retracement as impulsive retracement would be considered as bearish. Be careful as reversal. However, currently we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and it should, of course, unfold a wave 4. Now you have a wave 2 that it took many hours here. It means like your wave 4 might take as well a lot of hours here until it unfolds a wave 1. Potentially the move towards the upside was yesterday, since after the live stream directly, where it has started to move towards the upside. Potentially today we might see a little bit high, but I think we are very close for Bitcoin to the wave 4, which is gonna reflect this wave 2. So potentially we move a little bit lower and then moving towards the upside. We're gonna estimate this, how it's gonna work today. Do we have any news today? So actually not. Yeah, we don't have any news. It's until 26. It's gonna be a quiet market a little bit. It depends, of course, on the fundamentals. So yep, that was it for Bitcoin Trade Safe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.